Good morning, Master.
Panda! Wake up! He's quit.
What do we do now, Master? With the Panda gone, who will be the Dragon Warrior?
All we can do is resume our training and trust that in time, the true Dragon Warrior will be revealed. What are you doing here?
Ah! Hi! Good morning, Master. I thought I'd warm up a little.
You're stuck.
Stuck? Nah, what? Stuck? Yeah, I'm stuck.
Help him.
Yeah, maybe on 3. 1, 2.
You actually thought you could learn to do a full split in one night? It takes years to develop one's flexibility, and years longer to apply it in combat. Let's get started.